Hello, and thank you for joining our webinar, Supporting Students' Basic Needs During COVID-19 Outbreak. In today's presentation, we will cover how we can all further grow a culture of caring, especially in a remote environment, to support students at Benefits Hub partner colleges. We have a few content experts here today to present on various components of the Benefits Hub program, focusing on how you can help get students connected to important resources. I am your facilitator, Charlotte Gavelle. I work at United Way of King County as the College Success and Housing Stability Program Manager. I am joined by Stephanie Romero, Healthy Connections Coordinator from Within Reach, who will talk about public benefits and SNAP access. Diana Alvarez, who is a financial counselor with Sound Outreach, a financial counseling agency in Tacoma, and will share updates about events during Financial Capability Month. And Thomas Arbaugh from Neighborhood House, who is a housing support specialist. Lastly, Emily Portillo will talk through action steps you can take today to help students secure their basic needs this quarter, as she is the Bridge to Finish program coordinator with United Way. Before we talk about all of that, let's start with what is happening in our community. A 2019 study recently shared from the Hope Center showed that students in Washington state are experiencing high rates of basic needs insecurity related to food, housing, and homelessness. All of these challenges make staying and thriving in school really challenging. And when pulling out this data from students in King County specifically, it largely reflects these statewide stats. While we don't have precise data yet from the impact of COVID-19 outbreak, we do know that not only are students now more vulnerable, but also now more students are facing these same barriers than before. By supporting students in addressing their basic needs, we are further growing a culture of caring on campuses for our students. United Way brings caring people together to solve our community's toughest challenges. In 2016, we launched the Benefits Hub program to provide coordinated access point on college campuses in partnership with the campus community to provide food access, emergency financial support and financial coaching, housing stability services, and assistance with paying for school and enrolling in public benefits and other income supports. Today, we will highlight just a few of the most requested services so that you can help connect students. I am now going to hand it over to my colleague Stephanie to talk about benefits access.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Romero. I provide technical assistance to Benefits Hub coaches on benefits access programs such as SNAP, Medicaid, Work-a-Lift, WIC, and utility assistance. So SNAP stands for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Most people recognize this program under its former name, which is food stamps. It is a federal aid program that helps low-income households across the country really make ends meet by providing monthly benefits to purchase nutritious foods. In Washington State, SNAP is also called Basic Food, and it is managed by the Department of Social and Health Services, so DSHS for short. SNAP is a really critical resource for our community, especially for our college students. However, enrolling students in SNAP benefits can be quite of a challenge. Less than half of all eligible students enroll in SNAP. Students should not have to worry about access to food, and SNAP really is a great program that can supplement their food since it provides them with monthly benefits to be able to do so. DSHS has even increased monthly benefit amounts during this time, which is really awesome. SNAP is also a really great option for students because it really gives them the power to choose the nutritious foods that they want to purchase. There's also now an option to shop for groceries online for participating stores like Walmart and Amazon. So students can use a pickup or a delivery option if they don't have time to shop, or if transportation really is a barrier, especially during this time where public transportation has reduced due to the coronavirus. So SNAP benefits are accessed through an EBT card. That stands for an electronic benefits transfer card, kind of like a debit card. So that really helps eliminate some of the stigma attached to public benefits, and it's also easier to receive benefits. There are also a growing number of programs that really encourage people that have SNAP benefits to purchase nutritious foods and rewards them when they do so, which is really great. For example, the Complete Eats Safeway coupons. Basically, if you purchase $10 of qualifying fruits and veggies while using your EBT card and Safeway card, you will receive a $5 coupon or a $3 coupon if you're outside of Seattle. And this is per transaction. So some reasons why some students don't enroll in SNAP include lack of awareness about eligibility, confusing language, not much information out there tailored to students, and additional eligibility requirements that students must meet. However, Benefits Hub helps change that narrative of SNAP for students. We meet students where they're at to make applying easy. Basic food outreach and food security have been big focuses on campuses for our Benefits Hub team. At a time when on-campus food pantries have limited hours, are even closed completely, we have been focusing on ways that we can really amplify basic food outreach even more to ensure that students get connected to SNAP. Some things Benefits Hub is doing is hosting accessible and virtual workshops to inform students about SNAP eligibility requirements to really ensure that they have that information handy and that they need to apply. Our Benefits Hub coaches have also created specific drop-in hours to assist students with the SNAP application and also coach them through the next steps they will have to take to get approved for these benefits. We have also created accessible digital tools that students can use to help them determine eligibility, can help them request assistance from a Benefits Hub coach, or even help them navigate how to apply on their own. So we are completely aware that there are many students on campus who could qualify for this assistance but are just not enrolling. And we need your help in spreading the word about Benefits Hub services. Benefits Hub serves such a critical role on campuses, and our coaches are really able to provide a safe space for students, listen to their needs, properly screen students for eligibility, and walk students through each step of getting enrolled. I did also want to note that every student we serve that are being assisted with SNAP will also be screened for other resources they may qualify for, such as Medicaid, OrcaLift, WIC, and more. Now I'm going to hand it over to my colleague Diana Alvarez, who will talk about Financial Capability Month.
Hello, I am Diana, and I am the Sound Outreach Financial Counselor here with the Benefits Hub. The Benefits Hub has incorporated the process of financial coaching as a resource for students to learn healthy, lifelong money habits by establishing trust-based relationships and meeting students where they are. April has been recognized as Financial Capability Month, used to raise awareness around financial literacy. Via our daily interactions, we are witnessing how COVID-19 continues to impact our already underserved population. However, we recognize now more than ever that it is time to raise awareness around our finances. In recognition of Financial Capability Month, we are providing our students information and actionable steps centered around COVID-19 crisis, around the COVID-19 crisis. Some of these include a video that focuses on tips and methods of approach for contacting creditors when faced with financial roadblocks, ways that victims are targeted for COVID-19 related scams and things to look out for was another thing that we decided to cover, how to maximize our rainy day funds and best ways to budget during an emergency were also topics we wanted to touch on. Additionally, we provided videos and resources with information on the stimulus refund, also acknowledging factors that may disqualify from receiving a refund, which do include our already vulnerable, undocumented, and refugee population, with the intent to remind these students that we are still here to serve them at our maximum capacity. I am now going to hand it over to my colleague Thomas to talk about housing support.
Warmest greetings, everyone. Apologies for the technical problem. My name is Cece Heine. I'm the supervisor to Neighbor with House Homelessness Prevention for Community Colleges. I hope you are all well.
Hello all, my name is Thomas Arbaugh, and I work with CC as a housing stability case manager at Neighborhood House, working with United Way's benefits hubs.
And with this COVID-19, our students are needing more extra support in navigating the housing realm and getting connected to housing providers that could help in any way possible. This is where, as faculty and staff members, you can connect your students with the benefits hub coaches at your school, who will then gather the story behind the student's need, help create a stability plan to stabilize housing, or simply be the mentor, advisor in helping find solutions to bring calm in this trying time. We work closely with the coaches to provide support and facilitate financial housing assistance to students in need.
Housing assistance can look like anything from help with a budget to providing financial assistance to students who are unable to pay rent. For students experiencing homelessness, it can also mean supporting them by paying for the move-in expenses at their new home or referring them to one of our other nonprofits we work with who can help those experiencing homelessness who don't have income. Housing support can mean so many things that we meet students wherever they are at and help them from there. At this point, I'd like to turn it back over to Emily Portillo from United Way.
Thank you, Thomas. Hi, everyone. So my name is Emily Portillo, and I work at United Way of King County as the Bridge to Finish program coordinator. Now that you've had some time to get some great information about some of the supports that are offered through the Benefits Hub, I'm going to share a few things that you can do to connect to students. Here's a list of things that you can do right now. So 1, you can meet students where they currently are at. 2, you can help destigmatize asking for help by incentivizing students to connect. 3, you can add a basic needs syllabus right on your basic needs statement to your syllabus. 4, you can include a link to the Benefits Hub on your class Canvas page. 5, you can embed a slide with Benefits Hub information in every class online meeting. And 6, you can help students set up an online appointment. Each of these activities will continue to promote a culture of caring and can mean the difference between a student withdrawing early and thriving. Now, to help a student make an appointment, you can visit our website by going to www.uwkc.org/benefitshub. From there, you can click Schedule an Appointment, or if you have any questions or need more assistance, you can also send us an email or give us a call using the information located on our website. To proceed, then select the correct location of where the student is attending. If the student would like more in-depth financial counseling, they can also select that option down at the bottom where it says financial coaching. is an overview of our Benefits Hub services that we've provided today. There has been a highlight of just some of the services that students are most commonly requesting right now, and we hope that you can join us in connecting students to these important resources. If you have any follow-up questions or students would like to connect with us directly, they can either schedule an appointment or contact us at benefitshub@uwkc.org or give us a call at 253-254-5261. Any additional resources through the Benefits Hub can be located on our website that Emily previously mentioned at uwkc.org/benefitshub. Thank you for your time and for participating, and we hope that you stay well and that you can join us in supporting students' basic needs in response to the current COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.